Hi Year 4s, Mr. Hubel again, and I've got a different type of video that I'm creating for you today. Again, we're looking at multiplying, but we're looking at multiplying when it can be a little bit trickier to get the answer, and that's when there's carrying involved. What is carrying? I'm going to show you an example that'll make it a little bit easier. So we're going to look at something like 23 times 4. Now, partitioning, we know that's 20 and 3. So we get 20 times 4 plus 3 times 4. Now that equals 80 plus 12. Now here's where I'm just going to do things a little bit differently. I'm going to keep the 80, but I'm going to break the 12 into a 10 and a 2. Then I'm going to group the 10s, the 80 and the 10, to make 90, and then I get 92 as my answer. Now, over here, I'm going to do the vertical algorithm. Now, can I just say, by the way, I was so impressed yesterday with seeing how well everyone could do the multiplication algorithm. Really, really impressed. So I'm really confident that we're going to be able to get through this fairly well. I start here by going 4 times 3, that's 12. So I put my 2 there, and I just carry. Remember I mentioned carrying. I'm going to carry the 1 and pop it up there. Then I go 4 times 2 is 8, plus the 1, I'll cross it out so I know that I've done it, is 9. So I get my 92. Now, let's make some connections like we did yesterday. We've got the 3 and the 4 is 3 and the 4. We've got the, I'll use a different colour, 2 and a 4 there is actually the 20 and 4 there. Where the carrying comes involved, remember when I multiplied the 3 and the 4 and I got 12, I put my 2 there, well that's the 2 there, but because I'm breaking the 12 up into the 10 and the 2, I've carried the 10 that's there. Now, when I multiplied 4 by 2, which is actually 4 by 20, I added the 1, which is actually a 10. So that was me adding 4 by 2 is 80. I've run out of colours. 80, which was 4 by 2, and then I added the 10, which was there. Now, I've realised that it can start getting a little bit tricky when we do all this colouring in. But let's try another example without the colouring in, and we'll see how we go. Let's do 30... Oh, I'm still in my highlighter mode. Let's rub that out. Silly Mr. Hubel. Let's do 32 times 6. So that gives us 30 plus 2. So that's 30 times 6 plus 2 times 6. That's 3 times 6 is 18. Add the 0, I get 180. Plus 2 times 6, which is 12. Let's break 180 into 100 plus 80 and break the 12 into 10 and 2. So I end up with 100 plus 90 plus 2, which gives me 192. Let's see what that looks like when we do the vertical algorithm. 32 times 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Carry the 1. 6 times 3 is 18 with the 1, and I put 19 there. So when I did, I'll get my highlighter back. When I did the 6 times 3, and I got the 18, that's actually 6 times 30, and I got the 180. I've added the 10 that I carried over from the 6 times 2, which was there, and I've ended up with 190, which is the 100 plus the 90, which is the 100 plus the 80 plus the 10. This is one of those times in maths where sometimes learning how to do it can be a little bit easier than understanding the reason why we do what we do. So we are going to give you questions to do. If you are happy just doing it this way, that is fine. If you would like to have a go at this way, that is also fine. If you do it for some, not others, that's also okay. Remember, we are here to help you. And throughout the day, as you're having a look at the questions and you're working your way through them, you have any troubles, get in touch with your teacher. All three of us will be able to respond to you, and we can give you a more detailed run through of specific questions if you like. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. It's been nice chatting with you this morning for year fours, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.